Hey, how's it going, Dara? It's Devin again. Thank you so much for talking to me and clicking on this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things you can do to your website really easily so you can beat Kingwood AC when it comes to AC Repair Kingwood, because whenever somebody types that in, they come up number 1. This little back page doesn't count here. So if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's super simple. I found out a little while ago a lot of small business owners are so busy running their business, they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that when I make these attack plans and I give them away for free, a lot of business owners end up calling me back saying, "Hey Devin, I like you. Can you just do this stuff for me?" Whatever you want to do with this information is okay with me. My only goal is to help you out in any way I can. And what I'm gonna talk to you about today is 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. By the way, your website is super unique. I've never seen a website that looks like it, especially with this little graphic design right here. Really nice Photoshop going on in a lot of places. Nice little animations. From a design point of view, you absolutely killed it with the website. Now, what Google cares most about is this stuff right here, all this fresh content that you can read, and they want to see a lot of it. The average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words on the home page. If I go over here, you only have 272. So you're going to need to get that up to about the 2,000 word mark for Google to consider you an authority. Now, if you go to your main competitor, Kingwood AC, and we go and look at them, these guys have only 450 words. So one of the reasons they're outranking you is they do have more words, but the great news is they're only at 450, so you can easily get to 2,000 words and blow them out of the water. You also want to make sure that you put keywords in there. So for example, AC Repair Kingwood is searched 150 times a month. You want to be number 1 for that. If I search that in your page, you haven't used that at all anywhere. So you want to make sure that when you're writing those extra words, you put that keyword inside of your content a few times. You can also save your images as that too. If I go over here, instead of logo pair of aces, this could be called AC Repair Kingwood, and it'll help you rank for that. So that's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is important. Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of other trustworthy websites vouching for you. But they do want to see relevant links, so they're going to give you a lot more power if you have another HVAC company linking to you versus like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check this out, it's called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to pay for it. There are free tools out there. Just type in, backlink checker or keyword planner. You can find all sorts of stuff like that on the internet. But if you see right here, it says you have 7 websites linking to you. If you go over to Kingwood AC, they only have 36 websites linking to them. So you're going to want to get more backlinks than them. And the easiest way to do this is to just copy the links they already have and put them on top of yours. Because if the links are good enough to rank them, they'll be good enough to rank you too. You just go over here and you go down this list of all these websites that are linking to them, and you visit these websites and put a link on that website back to your page. A lot of times you just create a profile and put the link in your profile. Sometimes you may have to click the contact us button and send an email to the owner, but whatever they had to do, you're going to have to do too. But just by copying them and doing those 2 tips, that's how you become number 1 right here organically. If you want to become number 1 right here in the ads, you just need to bid more than your competitors. But the last place that you can show up is right here, and this is the best place to show up. This is where the most traffic goes. It's free to have a Google My Business profile, and all you need to do is have more citations than your competitors. A citation's anywhere where your name, address, and phone number is listed in different directories across the web. And a directory is anywhere or any website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, stuff like that. So what I would do is I'd figure out what directories Mad Air was in. I'd put myself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top. So if they were in 150 directories, I would be in like 300 directories. But that's all I've got for you today. I hope you found this informative and helpful. We'll try to keep it short and to the point for you. It's a quick recap. You're going to want to have about 2,000 words on this homepage, and you want some keywords like AC Repair Kingwood inside of that content. You're also going to want to take all these links that Kingwood AC has and apply them to your own website. And then if you need to add some more, you can just copy another competitor and take their links as well. And the last thing is put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Mad Air Heating and Cooling. And if you follow these 3 tips, Dara, that's how you become number 1 across all of Google. So I bet you're probably wondering what to do now. What I'd recommend is you get started on this right away, because it does take time to implement all this. And the sooner you get started, the sooner you start profiting off of your work. If you have any more questions, or if you just don't want to do it, you want someone else to handle it for you, you can give me a call. I put my phone number right down here at the bottom right. You can give me a call at any time, and I'll be able to answer any questions you may have. But I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to your feedback, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks, Dara. Bye.